Rewriting. Rewriting is the final and perhaps the most essential step in the process of writing. It is the final step before your writing goes into the hands of readers and critics. So rewriting allows you to revise your writing and to make it perfect. So when you are revising, basically you are looking for a retrievability of information in it and its readability. And then you are checking out for the accuracy of the information which you have given, its usability. So in other words, you are trying to make your writing perfect from all points of views. So you give it a test of usability. Is it serving the purpose for which it is being written? Then you are revising it to look out for the following mistakes or improvements which you want to make in it. For example, you want to add more details. By revising it, you come to know that there are certain details which you have missed out. So then you are deleting wordiness. Perhaps you have used words which are redundant, which are repetitions. So you will delete those words now. Then you will be trying to simplify the words. So you will try to substitute difficult words, shun words with simple words. Then you will perhaps enhance the tone or the style of your writing. Perhaps there are mistakes in formatting. So now you will reformat your document, and then you will proofread. And according to that proofreading, you will come across various errors which you had overlooked previously. So in the end, you will rewrite the whole document. So when you are checking it for usability, you are trying to look at it from the point of view of the audience, whether they are going to be able to understand the language as far as the language is concerned and the purpose of the document is concerned. So this helps to understand what should be kept in the draft and what should be discarded. So when you are looking at it from the audience point of view, you will be able to understand what is important and what should be discarded. So you are checking it at this stage for retrievability. Can the user find specific information quickly and easily? Then for readability, can the user read and comprehend information quickly and easily? Then you are checking for accuracy. Is the information complete and correct? And then will the user be satisfied? Does the document present information in a way that is easy to learn and to remember? So going through this checklist is going to help you to revise your document and improve it. So more revision techniques are that would be like rewriting it is the most important stage. It reduces the confusion in the minds of the readers. So you are going to check out for that. And if your writing confuses the reader, then it is going to destroy your credibility as a writer. So now you should check for missing details to add more clarity to your document, delete dead words and phrases to achieve conciseness, simplify unnecessary complex words and phrases to allow for easier understanding, move around information, cut and paste to ensure that your most important ideas are emphasized, then reformat using highlighting techniques to ensure reader-friendly ease of access, enhance the tone and style of the text, and then correct errors to ensure accurate grammar and content. So if you want to look at the essential skills which are required for technical communication, this is a good guide to tell you that accuracy is extremely important. It has to be 87.8% and so on. The other things which we have discussed, spelling, clarity, documentation support, logic, conciseness, and visual appeal. So this is the writing process. We can recap it, look at the 3 steps of writing: pre-writing, writing, and rewriting. And this can guide us in teaching writing to our learners. So the process approach to writing, as we have seen, is a dynamic process. Any of the parts can occur simultaneously. You can revisit them again and again as you are writing. So it is not a must that you follow them step by step. This sort of an approach is generic. So once you have learned it, then you can apply this methodology to various texts which you would be writing or teaching in your career. For example, once learned, you can easily adapt it to teach letters or reports or proposals and so on. So this type of an approach, once learned, will help you in every communication skill which you will come across.